Hi, I'm Dan Salucci, and today I'm going to show you how to make pancakes from scratch that are so much better than the box mix, but just as easy. First, mix your dry ingredients. We have 2 cups or 10 ounces of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and we're actually going to use 2 different leaveners here. We have 4 teaspoons of baking powder. This is for good, reliable lift. And we have half a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda has a saline tang to it that gives us more depth of flavor. It also helps with browning. And 1 teaspoon of salt. So now whisk all those dry ingredients together. Next, combine 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 2 eggs. You can see I'm whisking straight back and forth. This motion has more shear force than other whisking techniques, so your mixture will emulsify quicker. Then whisk half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk 1.5 cups of milk as you pour slowly. Combine wet and dry and stir gently until just combined. Be really careful here not to overmix it. Leaving the batter lumpy and thick gives us fluffier, taller pancakes. Let the batter sit for 10 minutes before cooking to thicken up a little further. Okay, now heat 1/2 teaspoon of oil in a nonstick skillet over medium-low heat until shimmering. Before you waste a bunch of batter, do a test pancake to see if the skillet is hot enough. Add about a tablespoon to the center of the pan, and if it's pale golden brown after a minute, your skillet is ready. Okay, add 1/4 cup of batter to your skillet. You can usually fit 3 at a time. We want these rounds to be 4 inches in diameter, leaving 1 inch in between each cake. You can gently spread them into 4 inches with the back of a spoon if you need to. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the edges are set and the bubbles on the surface are just beginning to break. So it's time to flip. Here's a tip. Slide your spatula under and keeping it close to the skillet, flip in one swift motion. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the second side is golden brown. Finish with the remaining batter. You can add a little bit more oil to the pan as needed. And enjoy your fluffy and flavorful pancakes from scratch.
It was perfect. You just did the Boston thing where you said flavorful.
Grab your Aunt Jemima's and your butter. Let's go with delicious. And enjoy your fluffy and delicious pancakes from scratch. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments and hit that subscribe button below.